Guess who's back? All right, in this question, we have 2x plus 1 over 4 is equal to x plus 2 over 3. X is equal to what? In a case like this, you're going to want to cross multiply, but there are 3 things that must happen in order for you to cross multiply. If you remember in class, ladies and gentlemen, when I cross multiply, I do the famous Zoros. Please ignore the sounds in the back. They're doing some testing of the alarm, so don't panic and don't leave this video. So I'm gonna do a Zoro action. I'm gonna kind of do it the long way here, okay? Because I can kind of do this in my head. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. And you see, I was so distracted with those bells. I forgot to tell you the 3 criterias that have to happen. Number 1, you have to have the equal sign. Oh, there it is. There's the equal sign. Number 2, you need to have a term, okay, on both sides. So you're going to notice this is a term, okay, that's a term, that's a term, that's a term. So you're going to want to also have a fraction. So if you have those 3 things, you're going to want to do a Zoro or cross multiply. So the long version is I'm going to just go like this. I'll do 3 times 2x plus 1, okay, is equal to, cross multiply, Zoro, 4 open brackets x plus 2 close brackets, okay? And then you're going to do the distributive property, okay? The distributive property just means you're going to multiply the number into every term inside the bracket. 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 2 is plus 8. Don't be afraid of this multi-step situation that you are encountering right here. You always want to have letters on one side, numbers on the other. You want to have 1x is equal to something, or x is equal to something, or y is equal to something. So, pay attention. 4x is going to go to the other side. If it changes sides, it changes signs. 6x minus 4x is 2x. And you've got 8 minus 3. Yeah, but sir, it's a plus 3. If it changes sides, it changes signs. How many times do I have to repeat myself? How many times do I have to repeat myself? Mr. Doran, stop repeating. Okay, 8 minus 3, we said was 5. When you got a number before the letter, just do the opposite of what you see. I see multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. Divide by that number. So then, therefore, you can then cancel. So what that means, I know a lot of you are a little more visual. I divide by 2. When you see a number before the letter, when you cleaned it up, you put all the like terms together, that's what you do. Another alarm? Oh my God. Okay, focus here, okay? Focus, stay with me here. I'm going to, whatever I do to one side, I do the other. Okay, I do that. These guys cancel, so I'm gonna get an x. That's exactly what you want at the end. I kind of look at it like a game. At the end, you just wanna have the letter on one side and the number on the other. That's how I do my x's, so I don't confuse you with my regular x's. I just make an x like this, okay? 5 over 2. I don't really like to have what's called a mixed number, okay? I want to have a number that's going to be found out like this. How many times does 2 go into 5? 2, 4, that's twice. And how much is left? 1 over 2. And that is how you do that one.